So continuing with the surgical incision, common surgical incisions, the next incision is called the Mercedes-Benz incision. This would be the incision. This incision is called the Mercedes-Benz incision. MERCEDE''S''BENZ. Mercedes-Benz incision. So it is very similar to that of double Kocher's incision, but the difference is that there would be an upward extension, and this incision is used for liver transplant. Then coming on to the next incision, this incision is called the Rutherford Morrison's incision. This is the incision. This incision is called Rutherford, RUTHERFORD, Rutherford Morrison's incision. This incision is also called hockey stick incision. This incision is also called hockey stick incision. And this incision, we know this incision is used in case of renal transplant because the transplanted kidney are placed in the inguinal region. So this Rutherford Morrison incision is used in renal transplant. Then the next incision is at the pelvic region, and this is similar to that of cesarean incision, and this incision is also called Pfannenstiel's incision. Pfannenstiel's incision. The next incision. So the next incision is the hernia repair incision, lying in the inguinal region. The incision for hernia repair, and it is used for surgical treatment of inguinal as well as femoral hernia. Then the next set of incisions are the laparoscopic incisions. So this is the supraumbilical incision. So this incision is basically used for laparoscopic insertion of the laparoscope in case of laparoscopic surgical procedure. Sometimes it can be a infraumbilical incision, but commonly supraumbilical insertion is done. So if it is a laparoscopic appendicectomy, this incision would be around 10 millimeter. This would be around 10 millimeter, and there would be another two incisions, and the another two incisions would be 5 millimeter each, one in the suprapubic region, other one in the left inguinal region. So this type of laparoscopic incisions are used in case of laparoscopic appendicectomy. But on the other hand, if there is the procedure is done for laparoscopic cholecystectomy, 4 incisions are done. One big incision, one big supraumbilical incision. So here would be around 10 millimeters, and there are other 3 small incisions, another 3-4 small incision. The epigastric incision would be 10 millimeter in length. The other 2 incisions would be 5 millimeter in length, and the main incision, the supraumbilical paraumbilical incision, would be 10 millimeters in length.